We're here in Indiana. We are on the yellow Birch Ravine trail. And this is, I believe it's less than a mile. Moderate, easy-ish trail. Parts of it are a little overgrown. There's some stingy nettle. So just so you all know, this is stingy nettle. It has these little prongs on it somewhere that get you. It's a great medicinal plant. It's one of the best medicinal plants you can get, but boy, it gives you a little sting on the leg. And it burns for a while too. But they are all on this path. Sometimes of the year they're not as stingy, and it's like early spring or something. They're not as springy.
Well, early spring, well, they're just developing, and normally late summer after all the barbs have been rubbed off.
Oh, I tell you, you find one of those bad boys, they burn. Sometimes if you get in like a creek or something, it helps. But I will warn you, from my experience yesterday, there are those little, they call them turkey mites or something. The little tiny ticks. They are no fun. But it's supposed to have several waterfalls, a cave, and a couple other interesting things to see here. So we're gonna take you along to check this place out. We took a little side shoot here to a little grotto. There's a pretty good sized shelter over here too. And there's like a ledge that goes along over here. Goes back pretty deep over here too. So we're splitting here to go to Double Falls first. Oh wow. It's just like that Cooper's Falls. So the trail ends in this grotto. The second falls is only a trinkle. And Gracie is loving life right now. She's loving it. All the water, cool outside today for her. Gracie gives this 2 paws up. So we climbed up. There's a rope. Gracie, that is really scary. Go. Wow.
We're holding up your shoelace. That's not a rope, that's a shoelace.
That's a shoelace, huh? It's a safety line. Safety shoe line.
Yeah, okay.
Ooh, gives me little willies. Well, now we're taking the other fork that goes to the small falls. Looks like this one just goes back that way. Where is the trail at? Is it down this hole here where all this? Because this looks nasty. Walk down the creek. I think we got off the trail a little bit here, walking down the creek.
He's like, I I may have found my way into the blueberry plantation.
My son was nice enough to check the garden while we were gone. He also was checking the pantry, found some pancakes. So this one is Raven Small Falls. It's a beautiful area here, but it's challenging to get here. There's a little trail that meanders on the side of the mountain, but it was better to go through the creek, but the creek is super slippery. This is just a beautiful area though, really beautiful. So if you want a little more adventure, this is the place to come. There's also another tiny one as well, but it's slick. You come over here and it's like just gnarly all through here. And then you have to get down this thing. We took another gnarly little side trail to see another waterfall, which is just a trinkle. Look at all the butterflies all over you. Where are you going, Abigail? You gotta cross the street. So we crossed the road and it ended up being about 2 miles. And now we're over here going to go see, I believe, a cave and some arches and waterfalls. There's a split. So we went to the right first and then we're gonna hit up the other one when we get back.
Right in here.
So just went in there a short ways, this little cave?
Yeah. The floor is like all clay, if you want to make a clay man.
So this trail is less than a half mile to get back to this grotto. And it is truly epic. Holy cow. There's a little cave over here. Oh, it's like a real cave. I can't see nothing now. Shine your light over here. Alright, so we get the actual flashlight out. Ooh, it's a breeze. Oh my gosh, that is a huge breeze. From the bottom, you cannot see this bridge. Oh wow.
Yeah, and then when you get over here, you can see it's a huge hole, but you can't like hardly see it from down there. Let me go back in the hole. It looks like in wet weather that there would be a waterfall that would come off of here and then hit the bridge and go off both sides. There we go. Abby's making a waterfall. There you go, guys. You made a waterfall. I'll keep it open and pose.
Go ahead. Tell them about deadly spiders. No? So there you have it. It's 2 natural areas. One on one side of the road, one on the other side of the road. We had planned on going to one more place, but I think we're going to put that on hold. This is supposed to be more of a relaxing trip, and this actually turned out to be a little more adventurous. I wouldn't say it was necessarily difficult. It was just, it's very warm out here in the summertime right now, and humid that is, and navigating the creeks and the stinging nettle and biting spiders. So thanks for joining us, guys. Hope to catch you on another one.